Designing and running your first Scratch program. In this video we will make a small program to move the cat sprite on the stage. Every character in a Scratch program is called a sprite. We can add several sprites for making an animation or game in Scratch. For moving the sprite, we need block from motion category. Motion category blocks are blue in color. Blocks are divided into several categories according to their function. Dividing the blocks in categories makes it easier to find them. There are several categories of blocks like motion, looks, sound, events, control, sensing, operators, variables and my blocks. In order to move the cat sprite on stage, we need the block from motion category. Motion category blocks are blue in color. In order to move the sprite, drag the Move 10 Steps block to coding area. Drop the Move 10 Steps block here. You can increase the size of block by clicking on Zoom button in coding area. You can click the Zoom button again and again to increase the size of blocks. Sometimes you may need to drag the blocks if they move out of coding area after resizing. Now click on this block to run it. Notice the cat sprite moving to right-hand side when you click the Move block. Every time you click the Move block, you will notice the cat moving to right-hand side. There is one more way of running the blocks, by clicking on the green color flag button. This button is called as Start button. But before we can use this button, we need to add one more block in our program. This block belongs to the Control category. Click on the Control category to open yellow color control blocks. Scroll up in the list of blocks to show the block called When Flag Clicked. This block has a green color flag inside it. Drag this block and add it to coding area just above the Move block. Now drag the Move block near When Flag Clicked block and leave it there. Move block is now attached to When Flag Clicked block. Next, go to Flag or Go button and click it to run the program. Notice the cat sprite moving to right-hand side every time you click on Start button. If your cat sprite is moving out of the stage, you can drag it inside using your mouse. There is no need to use the Stop button for this program because when we click the Flag button, When Flag Clicked block runs, then immediately after Move block runs. Program finishes by itself after Move block. Congratulations! You have designed and run your first program in Scratch. In upcoming videos we will design some more fun programs.